Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show the week number on the Google Calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down to the settings section, click on it, tap on general. Now if you scroll down you can see this section including three functions. The first one is show week number, so just simply tap on this button if you would like to turn on this function. Now if you go back by tapping on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen and again the X button, you can see in the left side corner of the screen at the top that there is this week number appeared. 35. So here if you scroll to the right side of the screen, that by going to the next week you will see that it is 36. So this function has been turned on, so it works, as you can see apparently. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.